We learned what are conditional statements and how can we use them in our Python program. Now let's see another form of conditional statements which is called as if-else statements. We learn what are conditional statements and how to use them in our Python program. We also saw how to use if and if-else statements. But there could be a reason for us to use if within an if, which is nothing but enclosing one if condition within another if condition. Or in another terms, we can call it as if-else ladder. So let's see what is this if-else ladder. We have seen a really simple system where if the order total is greater than 200 rupees, then we give a discount of 20%. Otherwise, user has to pay the total amount, whatever it comes in. But this is not the real world case. In the real world, we might want to add more discounts. So something like, let's say, if the order total is greater than 500, we want to give a 25% discount as well as free home delivery. But if the order total is greater than 350 rupees, we want to give 25% discount, but delivery charges will apply. If the order total is greater than 200, 20% discount will be applied and the delivery charges of rupees 50 will apply. If the order total is less than 200, no discount and the user has to pay the rupees 50 as a delivery charges. So if we are to develop something like this system, let's see what we need to do. So we will first have the order total. Let's say for the time being, let's make it 756.45 rupees. And we have discount 1, which is a 25%. 25% discount. Second discount is 20%. So let's make it discount 2 is 0.20. So we have two discounts, but there is a condition which is about the delivery charges too. So the delivery charges are 50 rupees by default. So using the knowledge of if else, let's see whether we can construct this entire program. So the first condition says if the order total is greater than 500. So if order total greater than 500, the total amount will be order total minus the discount, which is 25%, into discount 1 as well as we want to give a free delivery. So we are not going to add any delivery charges here. Now, if the order total is greater than 350, we want to give a 25% discount, but we will be charging 50 rupees as a delivery charges. So if order total greater than 350, the discount of the 25% will be still applied. So we will be giving this discount, but we will be also adding the delivery charges. If the order total is, let's say, greater than 200 rupees, we will be giving a discount of 20%. So hence discount to, which is 20%, and we will be adding the delivery charges. Else order total will be having the delivery charges. Then let's print your order total is, let's say we also want to add print statements everywhere. So let's add here print you received 25% discount and delivery free. Let's say here print you received 25% discount. I have a spelling mistake here. Let me correct that. Print received 20% discount print you do not have any discount. So we got everything covered, correct? So let's check again. If the order total is greater than 500, yes, we have that condition. If the order total is greater than 350, yes, we have that condition too. If the order total is greater than 200, we have that condition too. And if the order total is less than 200, so that we are expecting to cover in else part. So we have total 756.45 as the order total. So we are expecting a 25% discount on it and the delivery free. So let's see whether we get a correct answer for this. Let's execute our program. Python if else ladder. Okay, something is wrong in our program. We were expecting only 25% discount and free delivery. But we received that 25% discount once. Again we received it. Third time we received a 20% discount and the total. That means the every condition has got executed. Here we can see that this condition got executed, this also got executed, this one too got executed. Why? Because our order total is 756.45, which is greater than 500, as well as 350 and 200, and hence all the conditions got executed. So how can we make sure that the order total condition gets executed only once? So for that we can use a if else ladder. So let's see how to do that. So the structure here that we have incorporated is called as if else ladder. We can see that there is an if condition over here which has its own else part on line number 35. Then there is one more if condition on line number 22 which has its own else part which is there on line number 31. And inside the if condition there is one more if condition which is on line number 23 and it has its own else part. So this way of structuring our if inside if is called as if else ladder. If else ladder is really useful in our code where we can check some conditions and then start executing the part of the code where more conditions can be checked. But this also adds a complexity to our program, and also there is a high chance of having bugs getting introduced because of this if else ladder or too many ifs, and that might lead to wrong results or sometimes it may crash the entire program. If we check the requirement again, we can see that what we needed was just one of the conditions to be executed at one time instead of checking one condition after the other. So here we can actually use an elif statement, which is another form of using conditional statements where elif is a short form for else if. So we use if, elif and the else together to solve a problem. So let's see an example of that.